Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how to use approvals in Microsoft Teams. So now there is a new app in Microsoft Teams named Approvals, by which you can now approve things, either accept or decline it. So how can we do that? So let's first jump into Microsoft Teams. Here I am. Now if you don't get to see your approvals app right in this column, you have to just click on the triple dots and now you'll get an approvals thing. If you don't even get here, you can click on the find an app and get the approvals. Here you can see. Now we'll click on it. Now here you can see there were a few approvals, and here you can see there were the titles. So now I have approved one, and now there's some more things which I can either decline or I can approve. So in the filtering, you can get the requested ones and the custom ones. Okay. Now I'll tell you that how you can decline or approve it. So first let's click on it. Now here you can see you can give your comments here, so let's give some comments like here is some fixing a particular data. So I will approve it and I'll give some comments like the day fixed is that okay. Now I have given the comments and now I'll approve it. So now it will tell submitting a response. Here you can see the final status, it's approved. Now there was also one more. So here you can see you can also have an option of cancel this request. I'll tell you that how you can also send a new approval request. So first we'll click on the new approval request. Now I'll give a name. So I'll give the name that. Now there's an I have given the channel trailer request. So now I'll ask for a request of putting a new channel trailer. So to approvers, I'll give name are. So you can give multiple approvers. I'll just take one approver. Now what is this require response from all approvers? So now if there are two approvers, so that means one more approver. But now you can give an option to require response from all approvers, or just a response from one approver will be fine. Then you can decline it. But I'll just take one approver. Now you can get some. I'll get a detail like the details. Now you can also add attachments. So maybe there was an option for channel trailer. So maybe I took a screenshot of it, and now I can upload it from my computer. So here's a screenshot. This is custom responses. So now if you just normally see, there's an option of reject and approve. So but here you can give an option of yes or no. So like it's so you can give random responses like you should approve or reject, like so. Now you can just click on send. That will your approval request is being created. I've set a new approval and now the person has rejected. So I'll click on I'll think about it. There will be submitting a response. And now here's the status, I'll think about it. So here is how you can do the approvals in Microsoft Teams. So hope you like this video. If you have, then don't forget to drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss interesting videos like this, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.